Isn't it incredible how something so simple can turn into something this delicious? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making one of those delicious snacks that is crispy, golden, and absolutely irresistible, spring roll. If you have ever struggled to get that perfect spring roll, don't worry. I have got you covered. Now, before we get started, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and join the family. Now, let's get cooking. To make spring roll, you need spring roll filling. So guys, we'll start by making the filling. In a dry pot or pan, go in with your vegetable or olive oil. Once it is heated, introduce the diced onions. I'll go ahead and give it a quick stir and allow to fry for a few seconds before introducing my green seasoning. It is great for aromatic and flavorful dishes, also for your marinade and seasoning. Please make do of your ginger garlic paste if you do not have the green seasoning. After a minute, introduce the chopped green chili and shredded chicken. Give it a stir and continue to fry for a minute or two. Two minutes later, introduce the chopped green bell pepper. I used one green bell pepper. Now go in with your shredded carrot and cabbage. Give it a stir until well combined. Can you see how the cooking process is going smoothly and easy? That is because I prepped all the ingredients before cooking, so I will advise you do same. Now, the next ingredient to go in is black pepper. Squeeze in your black pepper just like so. Go in with some salt, some chicken seasoning, and give it a stir until well combined. Quick one. If this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome to Omaspot. Here we post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. All right? Thank you. After frying for a minute, let's introduce some hot sauce and dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoonfuls each. Give it a stir afterwards and continue to fry for extra 1 minute. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. Thank you for your massive love and continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. At this point, our spring roll filling is ready. Now let's take it out and transfer on a tray or in a separate bowl. That way it discontinues cooking and cool down very fast. Moving on to the next stage, which is wrapping. Our delicious filling is right here. So get your spring roll sheet or wrap, spread it out. Scoop in the filling on any of the angle. Just watch how I'm doing it. You can see I didn't place it in the center, like in the middle of the sheet. Place it by the angle and roll it. Roll like 1, 2, 3, and then fold the right and the left side in and continue rolling. When it gets to the last part, get your flour mixture. It's basically flour and water. Make sure it's not watery but thick. Now use your brush to spread some just to enable it to seal properly. Okay, it's more like glue, gum. That's the purpose it's serving, just to seal up the sheet properly. Okay, once you're done with the spreading, just roll it up completely. All right, look at that. Very easy and simple. Now, for better understanding, I'll give more example or illustration. Please watch closely. Practice and perfect it before recreating yours. All right. Now, this is another spring roll sheet. Scoop in the filling and roll it 1, 2, or 3 and fold in the left and the right sides in and continue rolling. When it gets to the last part, rub in or brush in the paste and roll it up completely. As simple as that. As for the sheet, you can make it at home by yourself, but that will be another video for another day. If you don't want to go through the sheet making process, you can grab one from the market. You can find it in any of the grocery shop near you. Here is the last one. I don't want this video to get too long, so I had to do some off camera. I believe by now you're able to wrap your spring roll, right? Guys, it is very simple. Just follow the steps and you find out that it is simple. If you have watched up until this extent, you've done well. Thank you so much. Please do not go anywhere. Continue watching to see the end results. Very crispy, golden. I'm sure you will love to see it. Now, when it gets to this point, go in with the paste, okay? Go in with the paste and seal it up completely, just like so. Simple, right? Now, let's move on to the next stage. It is time to fry them. So in a pan, go in with reasonable amounts of your vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go ahead and drop in your spring roll wraps, just like so. Make this recipe for your family. They will love it, especially those kids that doesn't like vegetables. This is the perfect way to incorporate vegetables in their meals, all right? And if you're looking for a business to do or start, you can commercialize this one. All right, guys, let's continue. Make sure you flip in between. And at this point, guys, our spring roll is looking golden, crispy, and ready. Now, let's take it out. Look at that, guys. I'm sure someone is salivating already. Look at how crispy it looks. I love crunchy, crispy recipes. And I'm sure you do too. Give this recipe a go and share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. And there you have it. A delicious, mouth-watering, crispy, golden spring roll is set. Guys, look at that. Give it a go. I'll be right under the comment section for your valuable feedbacks. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in creating this amazing, delicious, crispy recipe. If you found it interesting, do not forget to like it, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's give it a taste. We have our ketchup by the side. You can use your pepper sauce if that's what you prefer. Guys, can you hear that crunchy sound? That's how crispy it is. Look at that. Guys, it looks delicious and rich. We have chicken in there, vegetables. You will love it. Give it a go. Now let's have a bite. You know how we do it, guys. Come and grab yours before you hear finished. Oh my, this is good, delicious and crispy. I can't wait for you to try it out. See you guys in my next one. Bye.